Today we're changing an air conditioning compressor on a 96 Ford Explorer. In this step I'm going to demonstrate the proper procedure for removing your cold air intake. Now on this particular vehicle the cold air intake starts here and ends at the throttle body. As you can see, in order to gain access to the front of the engine we are going to have to remove this snorkel assembly. It has a typical screw type hose clamp on the throttle body. I'm going to take a flat blade screwdriver and go ahead and undo that hose clamp. From there you'll have several different kinds of electrical connectors you're going to need to deal with. Just depending upon the particular engine configuration, there will be various devices that they have on there you're going to need to unhook. You can go ahead and use your screwdriver to take and depress the locking tabs on most of these devices. Just like so. You can see the lock tab right here. Right there. Most electrical connectors have some form of locking tab on them. I'm going to go ahead and just slip this hose off there. And undo the clamp on the air filter basket. And there you go. We're going to set this aside for later reinstallation. That is the proper procedure for removing your vehicle's cold air intake ductwork.